Ever wonder if those extra miles on your Porsche are secretly costing you thousands? Many owners unknowingly devalue their prized possession just by driving it too much. But what if I told you there's a mileage sweet spot that could actually maximize your future return? Welcome to the Porsche Mileage Paradox, Unpacking the Hype. If you're a Porsche enthusiast, investor, or just someone dreaming of owning that iconic 911, Cayman, or Macan, you've probably obsessed over mileage. It's the number that stares back at you from the odometer, whispering promises of value or threats of depreciation. Today, we're diving deep into the myths, the realities, and the strategies that can turn your Porsche ownership into a smart financial play. We'll explode the low mileage obsession, explore factors beyond the odometer, arm you with a buyer's playbook, and look ahead to future-proofing your ride. Buckle up. This is going to be a thrilling drive. Let's start by unpacking the hype around the Porsche mileage paradox. First, exploding the myth. Low mileage isn't always king for value. Conventional wisdom says a garage queen, that pristine Porsche with under 10,000 miles, will fetch top dollar at resale. But data tells a different story. For instance, on models like the 991 Turbo, depreciation can hit $2.36 per mile on newer variants, but only 60 cents per mile on older ones, showing that age and market dynamics play huge roles. High mileage Porsches, say over 50,000 miles, do see values drop, and anything above 100,000 can tank the price, as seen in 992 Carrera rackets. Yet, a well-driven 911 with 77,000 miles might still hold strong if it's in top shape, while a low-mileage neglected one plummets. The key? Mileage is just one piece of the puzzle. It's not the throne it pretends to be. Next, the garage queen trap. Why driving your Porsche can sometimes be a financial benefit. Keeping your Porsche locked away might preserve that low odometer reading, but it can backfire. Low-mileage cars often suffer from aging seals, dried-out components, and lack of use, leading to costly repairs down the line. High-mileage road warriors, on the other hand, if maintained properly, demonstrate reliability and can appeal to buyers who want a proven performer. Think about it. Porsche miles are like dog years. 8,000 miles a year is considered high for these sports cars, compared to 12,000 to 15,000 for sedans. Driving strategically, say 5,000 to 7,000 miles annually, keeps the car exercised, potentially boosting resale by showing it's not a dormant relic. Plus, you get to enjoy the thrill Porsche was built for. Owners with multiple cars often spread miles thin, resulting in those ultra-low mileage listings you see on the market. The trap is clear. Hoarding miles might cost you an enjoyment and even value if issues arise from inactivity. Setting the stage, we're not talking about daily drivers, but strategic usage. This isn't advice for turning your 911 into a commuter battling rush hour. That would indeed hammer resale. Instead, it's about intentional driving, weekend canyon runs, track days with proper prep, or cross-country tours that add miles thoughtfully. For a base Cayenne with 138,000 miles, value doesn't plummet as drastically as you think if it's not excessive in context. Strategic usage means balancing thrill with preservation, aiming for that sweet spot around 30,000 to 50,000 miles where depreciation slows and the car remains desirable without screaming beater. Moving beyond the odometer, factors that complement mileage are often the real value drivers. First, maintenance history, the undeniable power of meticulous records and genuine parts. Nothing boosts a Porsche's resale like a binder full of service stamps from authorized dealers or reputable independents. Skipping routine maintenance can slash value. Think reduced efficiency, hidden issues, and buyer skepticism. Always Porsche serviced cars command premiums because they signal overkill care, even if that meant higher costs up front. Gaps in records, like a 5-year void, raise red flags and can deter offers. Use genuine parts. Aftermarket ones might save money short-term, but erode trust at sale time. Keep logs in a glove box notebook. It's simple, but it can add thousands to your resale price. Condition, condition, condition. How a well-preserved higher mileage car can outperform a low-mileage neglected one. Mileage matters, but pristine paint, interior, and mechanics trump it. A high-mileage 997 with flawless upkeep might hold better value than a low-mileage one with worn suspensions or faded leather. Low-mile cars face seal degradation from sinning, while driven ones wear evenly if serviced. Market data shows condition overrides mileage in auctions. A shiny 100,000-mile 911 can fetch more than a dusty 20,000-mile counterpart. Regular detailing, rest prevention, and addressing wear early keep your Porsche looking and feeling new, directly inflating its worth. Desirability, special editions, rare colors, and unique options that defy typical mileage depreciation curves. Limited run models like the GT3 RS or 911 Speedster hold value exceptionally, even with miles, due to collector appeal. Rare paints, for instance PTS colors, or options like ceramic brakes can add $10,000 plus to resale. These defy curves because enthusiasts prioritize uniqueness over odometer readings. For instance, a higher mileage Carrera S and a sought-after spec might outperform a base model Garage Queen. Market conditions amplify this. Strong economies boost demand for desirables. Now the buyer's playbook, navigating mileage for your next Porsche. For the investor, specific strategies to pinpoint high-potential, lower-mileage examples. Target models like the 944 Turbo or early 997 Carrera S for entry-level investments with upside. Look for under 30,000 miles, full service history, and rare specs. Use platforms like Bring a Trailer or BAT for transparency, but beware inflated expectations. Fly-by drive strategies let you snag deals nationwide, inspecting in person. Aim for 2025 tips, 911 variants under 100K with growth potential. Negotiate based on pre-purchase inspections to uncover hidden value. For the driver, finding the perfect balance of enjoyment and smart depreciation. Opt for higher mileage but well-maintained cars, say a 2015 911 with 77,000 miles over a pricier low-mile one. Drive 5,000 to 8,000 miles yearly to keep it fresh without tanking value. Choose CPO, certified pre-owned, for warranties that mitigate high-mile risks. Balance with enjoyment. Track days, yes. Daily grind, no. This way, you depreciate smartly while savoring the flat six roar. Red flags and green lights, what to look for and avoid when assessing a Porsche's mileage and condition. Red flags, mileage over 100,000 without impeccable records, multiple owners, for instance 4 and 8,566 miles signals flips, or gaps in history. Avoid neglected low milers with seal issues. Green lights, consistent servicing, original paperwork adding 10 to 15% value, and specs like manual transmissions. Always get a PPI, it's non-negotiable. In DFW or similar markets, negotiate on inspections for deals. Finally, future-proofing your Porsche's value. Proactive preservation, tips for maintaining your Porsche's condition regardless of mileage. Regular services at Porsche centers prevent efficiency drops and build that golden history. DIY, log everything meticulously to avoid value hits. Limit miles thoughtfully, detail often, and store properly to combat wear. Upgrades like protective films preserve exteriors. The evolving market, how electrification and shifting enthusiast preferences might impact traditional mileage metrics. Porsche's EV push is slowing. Delays in all-electric models and a focus on hybrids means gas-powered classics may appreciate. By 2030, 80% EVs was the goal, but now it's hybrids and combustion for icons like the 911. Enthusiasts shifting to sustainable yet thrilling rides could devalue high-mile gas guzzlers, but low-mile rarities soar. Electrification rate hit 57% in Europe, boosting hybrid values. Mileage might not matter less for EVs, focusing on battery health instead. Your personal strategy, tailoring these insights to your specific ownership goals and budget. Investor, low mileage specials under 150K. Driver, mid-mile daily enjoyable at 80K. Budget 50K, go 997 with records. Align with your thrill level. Porsche ownership is emotional, not just financial. There you have it, the Porsche mileage paradox demystified. Drive smart, maintain relentlessly, and your Porsche could be more than a car. It's an asset. What's your mileage story? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, keep those revs high.